that was not good already. I know, my God, this is weird. Yep. Woo! Woo! That's nature's fireworks for you. Yeah, that's a car. Bruh, that's a car, dude. Wait, what? Like, oh, yeah, those, yeah, I see him too. I see him too. My God. Yeah, that is cool. Look at my view. Look at my view of the road. My daddy hasn't closed it. Oh my God. Might be a tornado for city, dude. That's what I said. Like, city gets a lot of small tornadoes in the area, a lot of them. Like, mostly, like the last thunderstorm was oh shit, there's probably gonna be a tornado tonight. Oh my God, city is gonna be. Let's hope it's a small one. Huh. Oh, that was way in front of us. Yeah, Zachy. Ooh. Whoa, that was crazy. That was weird. Nobody's gonna be shooting off fireworks in a thunderstorm, dude. It's been 3 minutes already now. Oh! Well, that was in front of us. I think. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Woo! Oh, okay, I got something in my face. Let's check. Daddy, could we like close the windows now? Oh my God. Oh yeah, Zach. good thing we played in that splash pad while we had kids. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, that lit up the entire sky. Yeah, I'm thinking. I'm taking too many pictures in my video. Oh, You'll never know the answer to that question. My daddy never closed the window. You never closed the window. Now you did. You bit? Yeah, a little bit. A little bit more. Go full force. Go full force. Go full force. We're getting soaked. The thunderstorm. Duh. Close the windows. Oh my gosh. Before my phone breaks, I'm gonna end my video so that I can hide my phone from this. Okay, once we get on here, and hold on, when we get home, I'm gonna end it. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause.
Certainly not as a husband. There is nothing to hang on to. According to you, there's nothing to hang on to because he is not there for you.
Okay, look, lights on now. Look, bubble guppies are still playing. The lights are on. Okay. Why can't they still? There you go. Yeah, the back windows are closed like before the rain started. Phone's glitching out. Oh.
In the kingdom of Moses?
I'm making you.
That's awesome. Awesome? Yeah, I've never been friends with
Nope. You don't probably see, but I see. That is weird. It's pissing. Darkly scared. Darkly tired. Ah! Go, 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 go! There's literally just lightning. Get it, ding, ding, ding. No tornadoes, but we're going to see the upstairs. So